Okay, we've had a little bit of issues with people not putting them on right, so we decided to make a new video to show everybody how to install this super fast, super easy. Notice the two pieces on the end of the 3M VMB tape. Those are your release points. But check this out. First thing we want to do is follow the body edge straight down the deck of the tailgate. Put down one piece of tape. On this side, same thing. Follow the edge down. This is your only guide you're going to use. The other guide is going to be the center. And then we're going to position it. So after you've cleaned this meticulously, you'll notice that these are going to be the threads we're going to pull, and we're going to stick it down. So you need to be about 1/2 inch from it there, quarter inch on each side. So if you show both sides, I'm 1/4 inch, and underneath you should be sitting right on the back, right on the lip. So it's going to stick here and here. Okay, so now checking, and we're ready to start installing it. Now, the only difference in this video is that we're going to suggest pressure is applied in the middle first, not one side, because some people are pushing down one side too much and this side wasn't holding. So we're going to start applying pressure here in the middle. So let's start. I'm going to take the front piece first. So there's two threads. One of them is back, one of them is front. So I'm going to take the front edge, okay? So after holding it down, I'm going to take the front edge after I double check the back with my fingers, and we're going to lift the front edge up. So I'm peeling this, peeling it. As soon as I go past the front, I'm pushing it down here, okay? So this is not down, and this is not down. So the middle of the spoiler is holding in the center. And we're going to finish the front. So now the whole front can be stuck down. So I don't want to do it yet. We're going to pull the back and start that. When you get here past 1/2 point, push the back down. Okay? Just stay right there. That's good. And then push the back down. Now we're going to finish. Now the whole spoiler is suspended in the air, and it's centered in the middle. So with it in the air, after the center's down, push the sides down. And just hold this, and do this when it's warm. It will adhere. You will not have any issues with the front or the back coming up, being loose. And this thing is solid. It's down. It's a perfect fit. It's the same distance on each side. And once you do a little bit of pushing and double checking, you're not going to have a lopsided spoiler. Again, start in the center and push it outward and downward. That's it. 5 minutes, your spoiler's on, and it's looking beautiful. RPM Tesla Model S spoiler installation. Thanks again, and check out all our new products.